Well, hello, everybody. Lily of the Valley community family. Good to see you today. Got a truck full of planting soil. Fully says hi.
Yeah, hi everybody. I'm getting ready to go to work. But enjoy this video with Willie, and I will see you on the next one. Have a blessed day.
Okay, bye, honey. Be blessed. Yeah, we're gonna plant some pigeon peas, and I got 50 seeds of pigeon peas, and so I'm gonna plant those in small pots, and most likely show you some of that today. But I did get some Miracle Grow. Uh, this is 0.75 cubic feet, but they're only $2 at Home Depot right now. So this is I think today is April 10th. So check your Home Depot, and if these bags is $2, it's a pretty good deal because some places sell them for $5. But Home Depot they're $2 right now. So look at that. That's a good sized bag. $2. They don't sell. The original price is $4 and something. So uh, I was gonna home deliver these. Get these delivered by home. You got it? Yeah, she got it. She got it. But it costs more than I normally get free delivery. But I guess since these packages are so, it's I think it's over. Yeah, $2 over half price. I think 6%. You get 6% off. Like I got, I think $67 off for this, plus military discount. But still, 6% off. $67 off. Anyway, so this is the size bag. So if you're doing a little home garden this year, this is a good size bag. So we're gonna put these in the grow bags when the plants. Now, pigeon peas, from what I see online, I haven't planted pigeon peas before. My mom used to plant black-eyed peas. But pigeon peas grow on trees, so small trees. I guess they go up to about, I don't know. Well, we'll have these up to about 5 or 6 feet, you know. And I got 50 seeds. Purchased those this couple of weeks ago, and I think it was about $6 or something. Okay, well, I think that's about it. I'm gonna get ready to pot plant the seeds in small containers. So I'll get with you when I get to the back. Well, anyway, okay, everyone. As you know, we're planting pigeon seeds today. Pigeon peas. Okay, everyone, you know we're planting pigeon peas today. Take a look. Look, we're planting pigeon peas. I don't know if you ever eaten any before, but they're similar to black-eyed peas. And the reason why we're planting these, we're gonna put these down on the property and they should do really great in the sun. So we have 50 seeds in this package, and they're supposed to really do well with the sun, with the heat in Florida heat, Central Florida. So they're heat resistant, and they don't take much water. We was looking for a plant that didn't take much water, and pigeon peas is the plant we've been looking for. Mix this, and you have everything that you need in this potting soil. You have your peat. Everything you need is in here. Perlite is in here. You can see the white flakes. That's perlite. So You want well drained soil. Okay, so you mix this real good, really well. So if you have like grow bags around the house, pots that you have soil in and nothing is in those pots, you can reuse that soil. So that's why it's very important to always have some grow bags. So when things happen, you already have your soil ready to go. So you always have your soil. You don't throw the soil away, you just keep it. There's nutrients in the soil. And one thing the pigeon peas does, let me take these gloves off. It's screaming hot out here. One thing the pigeon peas does, when the root grows down, when the root system goes down in the ground, it enriches the soil. It increases the nutrients that's in the ground already. So, and plus the leaves that fall off the pigeon pea tree, it's very good for the soil. So that's what pigeon peas, they really increase your soil life. So if you got bad soil, get some pigeon peas. So you're doing more than one thing at once. You're also feeding, nourishing people, and also increasing the productivity of your soil. Inch, about 1 inch down. That should be sufficient. 1 inch down. Sometimes people say, well, I don't have a green thumb. Well, everyone have a green thumb. Because the scripture says he gives seed to the sower. Seed to the sower. So he gives you seeds to sow. So you have a green thumb. It's not always going to turn out right every time, but if you continue to do it, eventually it'll turn out right. Okay? So you do have a green thumb. You know how. All you got to do is put the seed in the ground. They say, well, put it in the ground. Put it in the ground. That's all you got to do. If a bird can plant a seed, so can you. If a bird can plant a seed, so can you. Okay. I think that's good enough. Okay. All right. So we're going to plant these seeds in the ground, in the soil. Okay, we got about 50 seeds. You don't want your fingernails to get dirty. Just get you some gloves. Get you some gloves. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we got the seeds in the ground. Put a little soil on top. Mulch on top. Okay, so we're going to water these in. We got the seeds planted. We're going to water. Okay, we're going to water these in right now. all watered in and all ready to go. Wait a few weeks, and they're supposed to be fast growing, so I expect these to be at least 4 inches, maybe in a couple of weeks, hopefully. And when they get about 12 inches, we'll put them in bigger pots, maybe grow bags, and we'll let them set for about a couple more weeks, and then we'll take them down to the property. Okay, so we got 50 pigeon peas, I would say small type trees planted. Okay, and they're very durable for the climate that we're taking them to, and we expect them to do well. Okay, feed peoples for years. So there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Lily of the Valley Community Garden. We'll see you real soon.